It's a little cookie monster. She's being such a little good girl, just laying there. Like a sweet little angel. Lucy. And then Muffin.